to open a gift that's tied up with a perfect bow.
But the greatest present of all was given to me long ago. It's something I would never trade. It's the family that we've made. 'Cause when we're together, I have everything on my list. And when we're together,
I have all I wish.
all around the Christmas tree, there'll be dreams coming true. But when we're together, then my favorite gift is you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, Cause when we're together, it's a holiday every night. And when we're together, then the season's bright. I don't need the bells to ring. I'll know when it's here. 'Cause when we're together, I could stay forever. And when we're together, it's my favorite time of year. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time. Wonderful
We would like to give a huge shout out to our patrons for supporting us. If you are not a patron and wish to be, that link is in the link tree, as well as a link to our PayPal if you wish to make a one-time donation. Patreon members do get special access to Patreon-only posts, chats, and vlogs.
Hey all, thank you for joining us today on our adventure. If you're new, please consider subscribing and leave a like for the video. Please be sure to visit our friends' channels listed in the description below, and check out our link tree with all of our social media. If you wish to see more of our content, click that bell icon to be notified when we post or go live.
Hope to see you on the next adventure.